Unlock the power of advanced AI without touching the cloud acircumflex euros. Let's get DeepSeek R1 7B running right on your own machine. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need for DeepSeek R1 7B Gguf. You'll want a machine with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, and ideally a dedicated graphics card with 8 gigabytes of VRAM or more. For the best experience, check your system specs to make sure you're good to go. Next, we need the right software. We'll be using a readily available AI inference application that supports Gguf models. Head over to its official website. Grab the latest stable version for your operating system and begin the download once it's complete. Install it following the on-screen prompts. Now, let's get our DeepSeek R1 7B Gguf model into place. You'll need to download the specific Gguf file for DeepSeek R1 7B. Once downloaded, locate the models folder within your installed AI inference applications directory. Simply drag and drop the Gguf file into this folder. With the model in position, open up your AI inference application. You should see an option to select your model. Choose DeepSeek R1 7B from the list. Then, initiate the AI by clicking the designated Run or Start button. You're now interacting with DeepSeek R1 7B locally. This local setup offers amazing benefits: complete data privacy, offline access, and the freedom to experiment and customize without cloud limitations. Enjoy the enhanced control and personalized AI experience that running DeepSeek R1 7B on your machine provides.